City Newsbreak. Idinaos ang 2024 Environment Month Celebration Culmination Program sa People's Gymnasium kahapon, ika-23 ng Hulyo 2024 na pinangunahan ng City Environment and Natural Resources Office. Sa nasabing okasyon, napag-usapan at binigyang pansin ang mga issue patungkol sa kalikasan at pagpapalaganap ng kamalayan sa kahalagahan ng pangangalaga sa kapaligiran. Ibinahagi ni City Enro Officer Salud Lamawin ang kanyang mga saloobin sa tema ng taon na Our Environment, Our Future.
So this year's theme, Our Environment, Our Future, reminds us of the vital connection between the health of our planet, our Mother Earth, and the well-being of the future generations.
Binigyang diin niya ang ilang mahalagang usapin gaya ng restriksyon sa lupa, partikular sa pagsasaka.
There are a lot of factors to consider in order to save our Mother Earth. To mention a few, one, land restrictions. An example of this nowadays is with regards to farming practices. Agriculturists and environmentalists or the Department of Agriculture itself spearheads in advocating the practice of organic farming to minimize the use of inorganic farm inputs that will damage the land, and at the same time to promote good agricultural practices that prevents air pollution that is harmful to the health of the people.
Tinukoy din niya ang desertifikasyon kung saan nagiging disyerto ang isang lugar dahil sa di tamang pangangasiwa.
Next is desertification, which means the process of the land becoming a desert due to mismanagement. Once an area turned into a desert, the land will have a very warm climate and it becomes arid, of which the land will have insufficient rainfall to support agriculture that will eventually result to sparse vegetation. So we must think of remedial measures to avoid desertification. We have to continue tilling our lands. Let us plant, and plant, because plants help cool the land and purify the air and help combat climate change.
Tungkol naman sa pagiging matibay laban sa tagtuyot, iginiit nila Mawin ang kahalagahan ng pagiging handa at pagtutulungan sa komunidad.
We have to support one another and to educate each and everyone to be aware of immediate solutions to become drought resilient. So common practice to help recover from drought is forest management. We need to keep on planting trees. Let us help promote watershed establishments, most especially in the barangays, which our barangay officials are also doing right now. And of course in the schools, to prevent drought in soil, let us plant trees of species that need little water.
Sa huli, hinimok niya ang lahat na makiisa sa pagprotekta sa kalikasan.
We should urge each and everyone to do our share for the Mother Earth. Let us encourage others to become environment conscious so we can protect our environment.
Sa kabuuan, ang pagdiriwang ng Buwan ng Kalikasan ngayong 2024 ay nagbigay diin sa pangangailangan ng pangmatagalang pangangalaga sa kalikasan at pagtutulungan ng bawat isa upang maging epektibong tagapagtaguyod ng kapaligiran. At yan ang balita para sa oras na ito. Ako po, si Reddy Redotan. Tabuk City Newsbreak.